You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. Yes, and there are different pronunciations indeed in English. So if you want to learn more vocabulary from astronomy and the opposite of this, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. This can be pronounced two different ways. Aphelion, this is the point that is the furthest from the sun in an orbit. Aphelion, but it can also be pronounced as aphelion. 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 So if you separate out the ap and helion, and that's because helion is its own word. Etymologically, it means it's the sun, so it's aphelion. All right, so you can either pronounce ph together as aphelion or separate as in aphelion. It's up to you which one you want to choose, but at least now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.